Need to check your Telegram chats quickly with lock screen notifications? I can help. With lock screen notifications enabled, you'll get instant alerts for important messages without unlocking your phone. Let's walk through how to set it up on your Android device. First of all, tap and hold on to the Telegram app icon on your phone screen. Now tap the I button or app info. Then find the option called notifications. Tap on it. In here, you'll find an option saying lock screen not allowed. In many phones, this option is simply a toggle button saying the same thing. Now tap on this option. After that, lock screen notifications will be allowed. So now if you get text from Telegram, you'll be able to see it in your lock screen. But as an extra measure, you can also make sure if your phone allows you to get lock screen notifications or not. To do this, open your phone settings. Now find an option called notifications. Tap on it. In some phones, this option is called notifications and control center. Now in here, tap on lock screen notifications. Make sure this is turned on. Then tap on the gear icon next to show content. Find Telegram here and make sure it is enabled. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to unhide your Telegram lock screen notifications. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Catch you in the next one.